You're the best community I've ever been with. Tulong-tulong tayong lahat para ma-achieve yung mga pangarap natin. Kaya ikaw na nanonood, if hindi ka pa members Elites Empire, napakaswerte mo. Kasi it took me ilang years para hanapin tong community na to. Pero ikaw, natagpuan mo na tonight. Kaya I'm very, very sure you're going to take action sa mga pangarap mo. And I'm just going to leave you with a quote. Action is the foundational key to all success. Kaya I'm very sure after this Zoom event, you will take action sa mga pangarap mo. And welcome to Elites Empire. Congratulations.
Let's go! Mas Ate Gadayers, nakaka-inspire yung kwento mo. Imagine, sumubok lang at nilakasan ang loob para mag-level up sa buhay. Kaya buti na lang na-meet niya ang Elites Empire na nabigay sa kanya ng bagong perspective at resulta sa buhay. Comment down, I can do it too! Grabe! Grabe yung mga resulta ng ating tatlong shares for tonight. No? And speaking of results, comment down, ako na next. Yes, kasi we have a quick video na ipapakita kung gaano karami ang kumikita ng malaki here sa community. Please watch the top earners of Elites Empire for the month of November.